Hey guys, hope you are doing great. This is Mijan here. In this video, I will show you how to normalize the phone numbers using Google Tag Manager, even when the country code is missing. So most users don't add the country code when entering their phone number in the lead form, and that actually breaks enhanced conversions in Google Ads, TikTok Ads, and other platforms, because if the phone number doesn't follow the format, then it will affect your ad performance. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to collect the phone number and normalize the phone number with the help of Google Tag Manager. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is Google Tag Manager. I have connected this Google Tag Manager with this website. So here you can see a lead form. When someone submit the form, he needs to provide the phone number. You can see here is the option. So let's see how we can collect the phone number and normalize this. Okay, preview the Google Tag Manager. Here you can see the Google Tag Manager is connected. If I submit this form, here is the phone number. Here is the phone number. I didn't provide the country code. Okay, this is the US phone number. Here I can write anything. Well, you can see the Tag Manager is connected. If I click on submit, you can see the form is submitted. If I go to the Tag Assistant, you can see here is event. If I go to the variable, I can't see anything because we didn't collect the phone number yet. Okay, let's again go back, and here we can write a phone. Now we have to collect the phone number first. So to collect this, we have to select this one, click the mouse right button, and then inspect. Here you can see this element is selected. If I click the right button, here you can see copy and copy JS path. Just click here, go to console and paste it here and write here value. Okay, done. Let's copy this code, go to Google Tag Manager, custom JavaScript variable. Here you have to create a variable. Let's save. Now I have to collect the country. So there is no option for country code, but this is US based business, so I will collect the US number, right? So let's create a country variable. It will be constant, save. Again, new custom JavaScript variable, go to file, copy this full code, paste it here. So I need to change the country, and then phone. Scroll down. Here I have to again phone, save. Okay, let's preview. Let's change the number. Here you can see I didn't include the country code. If I submit this form, here you can see first we have collected the phone number, what we provided here in this form, and this is the formatted form. Okay, and here you can see the country code, US country code is included. If you would like to create this for e-commerce business or any kind of service business, then it will work, no issues. Hope you could understand all these things. If you have any questions or confusion, feel free to comment below, and if you need any help, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. See you again. Till then, goodbye.